Hello students, welcome to maths practice. Today we are going to start a new exercise 8.1. So let us start from question number 1. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. We have to draw one triangle ABC and the right angle should be at B. Whose sides are given? AB equal 24 cm, BC equal 7 cm. And we have to determine Roman number 1 sin A and cos A, and after that sin C and cos C. So let's begin with the solution. So this is the figure. This is our triangle ABC and our right angle is at B. So okay. So here we will write, first we'll write the given part. So given ABC is a right angled triangle. Where is the right angle triangle? At B. Right angle triangle at B, such that means sides, whatever is given, we will write that thing, such that AB equal 24 cm and BC equal 7 cm. So these two things are given, and after that we have to find the value of sin A cos A. Okay, so first, before that we can see that we do not have the value of this hypotenuse. We do not have AC. First of all, we have to find the value of AC. So how we can find? We can find the value of AC by using Pythagoras property. So we have to write here by Pythagoras property. By Pythagoras property. So what is our Pythagoras property? You have learned in previous class. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of height square and base square. Okay. So hypotenuse square. So AC is our hypotenuse. We'll write here AC square equal sum of means plus of height square and base square. Height is our AB. So AB square. Base is our BC square. Now we will put down the values all. AC we do not have. We will write same. AB we have 24 cm. So 24 square plus BC we have 7 square. 7. So we have written here 7 square. So after that now, again this implies that AC square equal. We have to find out the square of 24. So let's check what is the square root of 24. 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4. It is 576. So it will be 576 plus square of 7, 7 7 ja 49. So AC square equal 576 plus 49. We'll get here 625. So see, here we got the value of AC square. So now we have to find only single AC. So square will go and it will go here. It will become root over. So AC will be equal to square root of 625 is 25. I think you all got how to find the square root of 625. Let me show once. See here we have under root what? 625. So let us find the factors of 625. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25, 5 5 ja 25. Now we have to make pair because square means pair of any two same numbers. So 2 5 we will take only 1 5. This 2 5 will take 1 5. Now multiply both these numbers. 5 5 ja 25. So here we got AC equal 25 cm. Okay. So now we have to find according to the question. So in question Roman number 1 we have to find sin A and cos C. So it will be, so let us write here sin, so it is not cos C, it is cos A, sin A equal. Now we have to go to the ratios, which that means ratios, trigonometric ratios. So what ratios we need here? Sin A and cos A. So let me say the formula for sin and cos here. I'm writing here. You can check in my previous videos. I have already explained regarding the trigonometric ratios. You can go and check there. So the formula for sin is opposite by hypotenuse and cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay. So sin A we have to see from angle A and we have to find out the opposite side. So if we see here, let us go to the figure. If we see from this angle A, so our opposite will be which side? It is BC. So we can write here BC upon, we need hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is our AC. So we will write here A Say, let us put the value of BC. BC we have here 7 cm. So it is 7. AC we got just now 25. So this is the value of sin A. Now same we have to find for cos. This is cos A. So let us write here cos A. Again, if you go to the formula of cos A, it is adjacent by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will remain same because you have to see from A only. So now we have to find out the adjacent side. So if we see from A, if this is our opposite side, AB will be our adjacent side. So AB upside. So value of AB we have here 24. 24. AC again we have here 25. So let us write here 25. So this is our cos A. So let us find Roman number 2. So in Roman number 2 we have to find sin C and cos C. So if we write here sin C and cos C. So sin C. Now the thing is that formula is same only. It is same opposite by hypotenuse. But the thing is that we have to look from angle C. So let us check what is our opposite, because we need opposite side. We need opposite side. So from C, which will be our opposite side? Let us check. From opposite side, if we see from C, if we look from C, so our opposite side will be AB. So let us write here AB, and we need hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is same, that is AC. So it will be AC. So here you have to write down the value of AB first. AB we have here 24 cm. So AB is our 24 cm. And AC we have just now we got the value of AC, it is 25 cm. So it will be 25. Okay. Now we have to find for cos C. So let us find for cos C. We know that formula for cos is also adjacent by, it is written here adjacent by hypotenuse. So from the same angle we have to see. Here also we have seen from the angle C. Here also we have to look from angle C only. So hypotenuse will be same, that is AC. Now we need adjacent side. We have to look from C. So if we look from C, so AB is our opposite side, then BC will be our adjacent side. So it will be BC. So BC, value of BC we have here 7 cm. So we can write here 7 upon AC we have 25. So this is the solution to this question number 1. Hope you all have understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.